Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in the landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy, because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind blows doesn't really matter to me, to me. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and throw it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really mattered. Too late, my time is gone, send shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye everybody, I've got to go, gonna leave it all behind and face the truth. Mama, I don't wanna die, I sometimes wish I'd never been born at all. Nothing really matters, anyone can see. Nothing really matters, nothing really matters to me.
Везде ты его цепляешь со своим мизинцем.